This PowerPoint looks at environmental issues and then goes on to look at Christian ideas about stewardship and dominion, not dominance. Christians believe it's important to be a good steward. This doesn't mean that you can't use the world's resources at all. You can, but you have to use them in a responsible way. So being a good steward means using the world's resources, but also preserving them for future generations. A good example of this is, it's okay to cut down trees to use them for various things, but those trees should then be replaced by a replanting scheme. This all fits in with the idea in Genesis that humans have dominion over the world that God's created because they are the highest life form, and this should be interpreted as having dominion, not domination. So it's not the case that they can use the world's resources because God's given them to them and make sure there's none left for anybody else. It's all about preserving them for future generations. You need to know some examples of how Christians can be good stewards. Remember, it's all about the idea that you can use resources, but you should make sure there is something left for future generations. So things such as recycling is a good example. Eating sustainable foods. So for example, you can eat fish, but try to eat fish which has been caught responsibly. Car sharing is going to reduce pollution, so that's going to help future generations. You could also support charities, so WWF, helping endangered species. All those sorts of things would be relevant in how a person could be a good steward.